Hey guys, this is your Yu-Gi-Oh homie, and today we'll be making the pack openings. So firstly, I got them for the reward of the European Championship, and I will also be opening two bonus packs which I got for the regionals of the Dragon Duel. So yeah, um, thank you for watching. If you have any video recommendations, please let me know in the comments. And now let's just open them. So firstly, let's open the two packs I got for the regionals. In the total there are the 26 packs, yes, and hopefully we get something good. So Silverhund. Yeah, about Luna Lights, I like the deck, but I don't know if they will. I mean, the deck is good, but I don't think like it would be tier 0, but it definitely could be something good. I mean, it is, but yeah. I mean, I hope there will be any future support because I love the deck. I like the things they're doing, but I don't like the big fusion. I got sacked by them at one locals, and yeah, I mean, I don't like the big fusion. So yeah. Oh, a secret rare. This could be worth something. The Gaga Gay Guys, the new cards, the support. I mean, for the Ryzios. Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect to draw something a secret rare this good at these two packs, but yeah, it's definitely good. I'll take it. Yeah, and now for the box. Wow, I got it for the 4th place of Europeans, and yeah, I'm so happy I can share what will I pull with you guys. Thank you for all support I got from the comments at my deck profile of the Dragon Duel Nationals. Thank you for that. I hope you will support me in the future too. Yeah, if you have any video recommendations, let me know in the comments. So, we have 24 packs, and yeah, let's open them. Usually they come like 2 secret rares per box, usually, but you never know. Maybe we would get less, maybe we would get more, we'll see. Yeah, first pack. Physics, I mean, they got new support, but oh, ultra rare, nice. They got a new support, but I don't think that they would be a meta like soon. I mean, they could be, but I don't think that they will be that good, you know. Yeah, first pack, one ultra rare. I like it. Yeah, and now Ink Slayers. Yeah, and there are a few new Agnister cards, which, I mean, I don't think that the support was that good. I mean, I was playing Malice at the Europeans. Yeah, so I mean, if you didn't watch the deck profile, please watch it. I didn't upload it too long ago. It was like today. I mean, yeah. So yeah, please watch it if you didn't. And the Gambanak Knight, interesting. I mean, I like them too. Oh, Spring. Love this card. The artwork is so beautiful. The Gagagas, the new Ryzio support. I mean, I like them. They have funny names, but I mean, Ryzios have been a little problem in the meta now for more than half year already, and yeah, another Link Slayer Ignister. And The Perfume Dancer. Oh, nice. Another Luna Light card. Yeah, like the Luna Lights. Luna Lights are pretty good. Yeah. I mean, I was thinking on making the deck actually, but I mean, the gold Leos are a little expensive. Yeah. I mean, no. I mean, yes, I know almost every card in. Oh, Archmage. I love the Archmages. Nice. The where did I stay? The the Luna Lights. So yeah, every meta deck in this format has at least one like expensive card. So yeah, I mean I spent a lot of money on the Melisas, and yeah, for now I'll play them, but yeah, I think I'll stick with them for some time now. The Go 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 Goblin Berg. Interesting. I mean, I love these cards. They are so funny, like funny names. Yeah. I mean, I also pulled the Gaga Gaga Girl. So, I mean, we could be making some experiments with them. Yeah. So, Chevdi Noels. Noels got support. I mean, I don't say that they are bad, but I'll not say that they are meta. I mean, they are like good. I mean, I would call them rogue because I mean, I don't think that they could win a big regionals or maybe YCS. I mean, locals, yeah, of course, but anything else a little harder. Angry Burger. Yeah, RBs. I like them. I think they are interesting, but still, I haven't like experimented yet with them. I don't think if I will actually, because I mean, I don't find a lot of sense in them. Meteors the Pure. Wow. This is the Archmage card. Yeah. I mean, I like the Archmages, you know. I find them very interesting and funny archetype. And I think I will be experimenting with them because so far that I know they aren't that expensive. But yeah, I'll see if I would experiment in the future. Another Archmage card. Kaibaman the Legend. Wow. Beautiful card. I mean, I saw it and I was like, wow, interesting. Blue Eyes support, I guess. Yeah, but I don't think if I would see a lot of play of that card. Yeah, and also Vanquish Souls. Don't like them very much. They are good, but still, I don't think that they really deserve winning the European Championship. I'm a little sad, but still, they won. There's nothing else that we can do. Yeah, so another Silver Hunt and the Monarch's Revolt. Yeah, Monarchs. I don't think that this deck will see a lot of play, but still, it could be. I think it is good, but like not the meta. Yeah. Another Silver Hunt. Deplace it, nice. Guild Gripping Morganite. Yeah, Morganites. I think they're interesting because of these spells. I mean, I kinda like them, but I never like experimented with them. But yeah, I think they are worth trying, but still not really needing. Yeah, so Another pack, we have the Monarchic. Looks like the same card. No, not the same card. The same archetype as the two packs before. So we already pulled the two secret rares, so I think that there should come another ultra rare. I don't really know, but oh, another Gaga card. Nice. Yeah, I mean, if there will be anything useful, I mean, like the Holy Su, I mean, as long as I know it's in this set, don't, I mean, maybe it was in the other set, I mean, I forgot already, but yeah, I think that there should come one or two ultra rares also in this box, but we'll see, we have a lot of packs left, but still we have how many? 3, 6, 9 packs. So yeah. Physic Magician. Now about the physics, I find them fun, but I said it already, I don't think that there will actually be the meta like soon, but yeah. Also guys, I will be also probably making the Malice combo guide soon. Also some interesting combos. I played the Transcode Talker, but still I will be making some interesting combos for you guys. Hope you will like them. So yeah, if you like this video also, please give a like, share, and subscribe if you want, if you didn't already. Yeah, and then another Archmage card, ultra rare, Grappler. Looks like Konami wants me to try the Archmages. I mean, I could try, but I don't think if I will. I mean, I want to try, but yeah. Another Monarchic Perfection. Yeah, 5 packs left. Hopefully there is anything good in here. Zubababa Knight. Another card with funny name. Nice. Parallel Teleport. Oh, another physic card. Nice. Yeah guys, last 3 packs. Hopefully we draw something good for them. The Tessera, the Primal Squire. Oh yeah, another Monarch card. Interesting. Didn't think that they will actually make another Link level 1 monster for the Monarchs. I mean, they seem very interesting to me, but still. Oh, and this is probably the last ultra rare of the box, a Monarch card. Looks interesting. And yeah. And for the last pack, we hope that it will be anything good, but I mean probably not, because we already drew the 2 secrets and 1 ultra rare, but we'll see. And we have Gagagag and Barak Knight. I mean, yeah, I actually kinda liked this pack opening. We got some useful ultra rares, the archmages. I like this archetype. I mean, it's interesting. I find it cool. Archmage, secret rare, the field spell, and Kyberman the legend. And Gagagagar, I really like this pull. Hope you guys liked the video. If you want more, please subscribe. Give me the recommendations for the future video. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe, and have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.